A Vision for America's Future. Introduction. Preserving Heritage and Shaping the Future. America, like Japan, stands at a crossroads, a defining moment where the decisions we make today will shape the future of our nation. We are a country with a rich heritage, built on the ideals of freedom, independence, and the pursuit of a better life. As a nation of immigrants, we have opened our doors to those seeking opportunity, contributing to our diverse and vibrant culture. Yet we are not without our challenges. Our political landscape is increasingly polarized. Our government often seems more concerned with power than with the people, and we face relentless external pressures that seek to undermine the very foundation upon which this great nation was built. In this critical time, Japan's vision of Society 5.0 offers a beacon of hope, not just for Japan, but for America and the world. Society 5.0 is more than a technological upgrade. It's a human-centric approach to governance, economy, and daily life that prioritizes the individual and the collective good over the interests of the few. It's about reclaiming the power that has been stripped from citizens and placing it back where it belongs, in the hands of the people. Understanding Society 5.0, a response to crisis. Japan created Society 5.0 in response to its own existential crisis: a rapidly aging population, declining birth rates, and the fear of losing the cultural and economic vibrancy that has defined the nation for centuries. Japan realized that if it wanted to preserve its heritage and ensure a prosperous future, it had to innovate. It had to adapt, and it had to put its people first. Society 5.0 is Japan's answer. A super smart society where technology serves the needs of humanity, not the other way around. It's a society where artificial intelligence, robotics, and data analytics aren't just tools for corporations or governments. They're tools for everyone, designed to enhance quality of life, improve efficiency, and ensure that no one is left behind. In Japan, this vision is not just about economic survival, it's about cultural survival. It's about maintaining the values of excellence, respect, and community that have driven Japan's success for generations. Parallels with America's challenges. America, too, faces significant challenges. Despite being one of the world's leading economies, we grapple with issues that remain unresolved election after election: education, healthcare, environmental sustainability, immigration, and employment. And these are not just political talking points. They are real issues affecting the lives of millions of Americans. And yet, despite countless promises from politicians on both sides of the aisle, these problems persist. We see taxes rising, government spending ballooning, and accountability diminishing. It feels like we are spinning our wheels, caught in a cycle of promises without progress. Society 5.0 offers a path forward. It presents a vision where technology is used to address these core issues in a way that traditional politics has failed to do. Imagine an America where education is tailored to each individual, accessible and adaptable, preparing our children not just to compete, but to thrive in a global economy. Picture a healthcare system that prioritizes prevention, accessibility, and equity, making quality care a right for all, not a privilege for the few. Envision an environment where clean energy powers our cities, reducing pollution and creating sustainable communities without the burden of excessive taxes or regulations. Reclaiming American values, a return to the core principles. Just as Japan seeks to preserve its cultural heritage, America has every right and every reason to protect its own values. We are a nation founded on principles of freedom, self-reliance, and faith. Our Constitution enshrines the rights of the individual, and for centuries, these ideals have driven our progress. But somewhere along the way, the focus shifted. We've allowed external influences, foreign governments, special interest groups, and partisan politics to drive wedges between us, tearing at the fabric of our national identity. Society 5.0 is not about abandoning these core values. It's about enhancing them. It's about using technology to create a society that reflects our ideals of freedom and equality, not just in words, but in practice. It's about ensuring that when people come to America, they come to contribute, to embrace the opportunities our nation offers, and to respect the heritage that defines us. Legal immigration is not just about keeping our borders secure. It's about preserving the American dream, a dream built on hard work, respect for others, and a shared commitment to making our country better for all who live here. The threat of big government and centralized control. We live in a time where the idea of big government controlling every aspect of our lives is becoming increasingly real. Centralized digital currencies and surveillance technologies could easily be used to stifle dissent and manipulate behavior. Imagine a future where your access to your own money is dependent on your compliance with government mandates, where a wrong opinion could see your digital wallet turned off, cutting you off from essential services. This isn't freedom. It's control, and it's antithetical to everything America stands for. In Society 5.0, the power dynamic is reversed. The government works for the people, not the other way around. Digital currencies and personal data are controlled by individuals, not centralized authorities. It's a system designed to decentralize power, reduce corruption, and ensure that those in leadership are accountable to the citizens they serve. Imagine a government where every decision, every policy, and every dollar spent is transparent and traceable by the public. A government that is truly by the people, for the people. The role of technology: empowering individuals, not institutions. Society 5.0 leverages advanced technologies developed by some of Japan's brightest minds. Scientists who have worked with companies like Sony for decades, bringing their expertise to create solutions that prioritize humanity. The vision is not just about robots and AI, it's about creating a society where technology empowers individuals, enhances communities, and builds a better, more inclusive future. For America, this means using technology to address our most pressing issues without compromising our values. It means creating systems that are resilient, adaptable, and human-centric. It means reclaiming control from the tech giants and putting it back where it belongs, in the hands of the people. Imagine an economy where your data is yours to monetize or protect, where your privacy is respected, and where your voice is truly heard. A call to action: choosing our future. We have an election coming up, and it's about more than just choosing between left and right, Democrat or Republican. It's about choosing the future of America. Do we continue down the path of division, manipulation, and centralized control, or do we take a stand and demand a society that reflects the best of who we are? We must recognize that protecting our heritage, our culture, and our values is not an act of exclusion. It's an act of preservation. Just as Japan is striving to safeguard its future through Society 5.0, so too must we take steps to ensure that America remains a beacon of freedom, opportunity, and innovation. It's not about turning back the clock to a nostalgic past. It's about moving forward with the principles that have always made this country strong. Conclusion: a future worth fighting for. Society 5.0 is not just Japan's vision. It's a gift to the world, a blueprint for how we can build societies that are not only technologically advanced, but fundamentally human. It's a call to all nations to create systems that prioritize people over power, transparency over corruption, and community over division. As Americans, we have the right to demand a government that works for us, that respects our values, and that uses technology to enhance, not control, our lives. The choice is ours. We can continue down the path of divisiveness and decay, or we can embrace a new vision. A vision where we reclaim our power, protect our heritage, and build a future that we can all be proud of. Let's not wait for the future to be dictated to us. Let's take the lead, just as Japan is doing, and create a Society 5.0 for America, a society where freedom, equality, and opportunity are not just ideals, but realities. The time to act is now, and the future is ours to shape. Let's make it one that honors our past, serves our present, and secures our future for generations to come.